What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another t-shirt. This time I'm going to be trying to layer heat transfer vinyl for the first time. This will be my first time doing it. Kind of nervous, kind of excited. So I guess we're just going to see how this turns out. So you're going to need a t-shirt, your vinyl, weeding materials, of course. I have my cutter, which I've already cut out my vinyl, so it's just sitting there because I just used it. I have my Cricut Easy Press, and I have my wood that I'm going to press on. Okay, first things first, let's get to weeding out our material. So I actually have a little more that I need to cut off so I don't waste. But I need to be careful because when I initially put this in the Cricut to make the stencil, which I found the stencil on Pinterest. It is not my creation, but it's what I found on Pinterest. So I had a lot of trouble trying to So let's hope that this comes out right. First thing we're gonna do is weed out our stencil. And it's pretty big. And I wanted it to be big because I mean, who doesn't want big lips on their shirt? Okay. Let's see what's next. So, big red lips. I'm really excited now. So, we're gonna get this first part ironed on first. I'm gonna lay my wood out so I can iron on there. I'm gonna lay this shirt out. And once I get the stencil set up on the shirt, we'll be right back. Okay. So I'm gonna press it down for 30 seconds. And as you pull it off, you're gonna see spots that you forgot to weed. And you can either leave it on there or you can try to get it off. And I'm not too pressed to get it off. Unless it decides to fall off on its own, then we're gonna have a problem. Okay, so I said it was going to be my first time trying to layer heat transfer. So I'm going to bring it closer to me so you guys can see it in up close. And I missed some spots, which is probably going to be hard to get off because yeah, I'm good on that. I'm very good on that. So what I'm going to try to do is use this gold metallic to try to make it real. Here's to hoping that this actually works out. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut around because there's no definite lines in this, which is going to make it a tad bit harder than okay. Let me try to line this up and see how it's looking so far. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is get up this. Yeah, so what I'm going to try to do is heat up the vinyl. Okay, you guys, in order for me to get off the vinyl that I'm trying to actually scrape off, I am going to use a regular iron. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. And hopefully it doesn't interrupt anything else that I have going on. And the lighting is kind of trash right now, so I apologize for that as well. So I'm gonna use a pair of scissors. And I'm going to hold them like so. And the heat is actually going to be a major factor in this. Okay, it's hot. So I'm gonna put it up against the iron and be careful not to burn myself. And kind of like press it, hold it back, and just scrape it down. And as you can see, it is coming directly off with no issue. Okay, I'm doing that, and I'm gonna do this part right here. And I'm gonna actually get the piece of vinyl that I had forgot to weed off. So I'm gonna have to be careful to get in between there and get that. Okay. There we go. So, I got off the pieces that I needed to get off. The iron to the side, and we're gonna lay back out our t-shirt. So, we're going to line up the grill and see exactly what it looks like. Let's see, I'm going to cut a little more off of it. Which one is the scissors? Okay. Make sure I'm cutting the right thing. Okay, now that we got that one cut out, we're going to cut out our other side, which this one's going to be kind of hard because I really don't know where to cut it at. Okay, line it back up. I'm going to cut it right. Yeah. Okay, cuts are definitely off, but I will not waste the shirt. So what I'm gonna do is gonna cut off these two teeth first. We're gonna get those lined up and ironed on first. I'm gonna keep, I've realized the more that I cut, the more that I kind of ruin the shirt, but it's okay. This can be a fail video. It's all in the process of learning. Okay. I really cannot get that space right there. Oh well, so I'm gonna place that down and okay. Okay, you guys, this is the final product. Even though this shirt was a fail, I will still be wearing it because this wasn't anybody's in particular. It was mine, just trying to try out something new. And I guess I'm gonna call this a part 1 because I will be trying this again. I will be doing it until I have it mastered. But let me give you a close-up view of the aluminum foil teeth. So this is full iron-on. My nails look horrible. I need to get a minute here. But this is full iron-on. Very kind of dusty. But yes, this is it. Once again, I got the picture from Pinterest. The shirt, of course, from T-Shirt Max. It's online, wholesale. The vinyl is Cricut. Both vinyls is Cricut, I believe. And yeah, everything that I use is, as far as vinyl right now, is Cricut. I will be doing a review on the Cricut materials because I've used Cricut scissor weed and also just another heat vinyl, which it'll be in the video. But the other heat vinyl is the best vinyl that I've used. I'm able to wash and wash and wash the shirt without it messing up. So I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, leave suggestions on what you want to see, questions. I'll try my best to answer them, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.